Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick again about one of the big benefits or the reasons why you want to get this fall fertilization done, this last fertilizer application of the year. Although it's late summer, it's considered the fall fertilization. And the reason it's so important is if you get this application down, then come spring, your lawn is going to bounce out of dormancy and green up a lot faster than it would otherwise. And the reason is this your lawn's not going to use all the nutrients on this application right now. It's going to be able to store some of these nutrients, particularly the nitrogen, over the winter months while it's dormant, and then come spring, that nitrogen is going to give it a boost, give it a jolt, and help it bounce out of dormancy much quicker and green up a lot faster and make it look a lot nicer. So that's why it's so important to get it done. You don't want to skip it. If you've probably seen in your neighborhood, some yards bounce out of dormancy quick and green up really fast in the spring, and others take a lot longer. And the reason for that is likely because one got a good feeding in the fall, and others did not. So it's real important. Make sure you don't skip it. And a lot of people have the tendency to, come September, say, my lawn's going to be dormant in the next couple of months anyway, so I might as well just wait till spring. That's not true. Don't do that. Go ahead and get it down. It's going to help your root system over the winter months. It's going to help it bounce back in the spring because it's going to store the nutrients. So it's very, very important to get this fertilizer application down. So make sure you get it done. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.